Unit 5, 1.1.
th, th, th.
1.2.
th, th, th.
2.
Mother, grandmother, father, grandfather, brother.
3.
This is my family. I'm in the middle between my mother and my father. My big brother James is next to my father. My little brother Peter is next to my mother. And my grandmother and grandfather are here, behind us.
Five.
Who is Sue's mother?
Anna is Sue's mother.
Who is Sue's father?
Alan is Sue's father.
Who is Sue's big brother?
James is Sue's big brother.
Who is Sue's grandmother?
Lily is Sue's grandmother.
Who is Sue's little brother?
Peter is Sue's little brother.
Who is Sue's grandfather?
Michael is Sue's grandfather.
6.
Mouth. Fourth. These. Father. Thumb. Feather. Those. Think. This. The.